Hello, Jim. Tech Buzz new headphones in. We've got the Edifier W820NB, and if you can just see what it says on the front there, active noise cancelling with Bluetooth, stereo headphones, and the writing's a bit hard to see because it's gold, as you can see there. On the side, we have got hybrid ANC, AAC codec. We've got ambient sound mode, game mode, DNN call noise cancellation, 49-hour playtime, lightweight design, and titanium diaphragm, which is pretty good. And that's what the box looks like at the back there. So we've other bits and pieces thrown into the mix there. So I'm going to bring her up there. If you want, you can pause that and read it yourself, but we'll call them out. So we'll be going through the whole lot in full review as well. Lightweight headset assures comfortable fit. High-res audio standard for a rich listening experience. Ambient sound mode allows you to hear environmental sounds such as traffic or flight announcements. All that kind of stuff there. Same again, more or less. And that's it. So let's have a look and see what's inside before we take them off and check them out in our full review, which will be coming up later on. Okay, so we have the headphones and we have this little bag here. So let's see what we get inside the bag. First of all, we have got a booklet and some other little bits and pieces. W820NB. Right. Which nobody reads. And you've got your cable. Let's see if there's any branding on the cable. Doesn't appear to be this time, but at least it's USB-C, USB-A, which is cool. And the headphones themselves from this nice bag. So there we go. So we've got all the buttons on one side, as you can see there. Nicely raised as well. We have got our USB-C port there. And that's pretty much it. So everything is on one side, which is good to see. You've got nice cups as well. They're nice and deep and soft. Padding soft up underneath here. Headband with a ratchet style extensions on both sides. Edifier logo, again on both sides there. Other than that, they're pretty clean. And that's what a lot of people do like. Very, very clean. It's kind of got a glossy finish, but this will be easy to keep clean. As you can see, it's not going to gather fingerprints or anything like that whatsoever. They turn like this. They can move in and out here. And you can see they have got a swivel there, like so. So let's quickly put them on. Yeah, they do a good job of isolating the noise straight away without having even switched on, which is pretty good. So they fit nicely over the ears. You can see how deep the cups are there. And let's see if we've got any LEDs, which we do, but it looks for there. You got your Bluetooth there, and that's it. And your power on, up and down. Obviously that will skip on reverse tracks and all that kind of stuff, but we'll check all that out. So you've got an LED light there, which you can see is changing colour now. And that's pretty much it. So what we're going to do is take them off and take them for a test and see how they sound. They do not fold, right? So that's something to keep in mind there. So they're just going to be as is, but you could have a spare bag to put them in. We actually have an old Edifier bag, but I'll just show you what that looks like. It's leather. We still have it. It's pretty cool. We'll show you in the full review later on. They don't appear to bend at all. Excuse me. And that's pretty much it for now. So we'll be back after the break with a full review and let you know how they sound and what features are on them and all that kind of stuff, as we normally do. And that's it for now. Stay tuned after the break for more, and we'll talk to you then. Hello, it's Jim from Tech Buzz, and we're back to talk about the Edifier W820NB. Been using these for a while now, and we're going to have a little chat about them. So overall, these are a simple, get to the point pair of headphones. You have an app, but there's limitations on it. But comfortable, nice to wear, nice and light, clean, basic, to the point, all controls on one side, and overall an excellent pair of earphones with good listening experience. So If your highs and lows and mids and all that kind of stuff there and your bass, it's all kind of perfect out of the box as is, hence probably no reason for the full equalizer experience on the app. So when it comes to your music, gaming, film, YouTube, and like that, these are perfectly fine. Nice and loud, work really well, and have a nice volume level as well. And of course, as you can see, these are super clean, easy to keep clean, and everything is quite simple because everything is on one side, which some people might prefer, some people prefer split. But I think if it's all on one side, it's a lot easier to control. And in that case with these, it is. So for everything from music, we'll get that out of the way because a lot of people just like to see or hear first what the music experience is like. It's good. If you're high res audio, same with the Neo Buds. So if you're looking for a pair of earbuds as well, while we're talking about the Edifier, these are the ones to go for, full stop, end of story. Excellent pair of earbuds. So just in case you're looking for an alternative. So let's have a look at the app, which I'm going to open up on the phone. You can get on Android, iOS, all that kind of stuff. And you can get on your Apple Watch as well. And here we go. So in the app, you've got some icons down on the bottom. If you're setting icons up on top, you can see we're connected with the Edifier W820NB. If you go in here, you can get your user manual in here if you want, like so. You can power off, you can prompt your volume from here as well. And you've got your Bluetooth settings in here. You can de-pair and repair your factory settings in there. So you don't be doing that. Review is up here. So in here you can discover. In here you can go to device support. You can see what other devices that they have here through this here, which is cool. And I was just looking at the headphones there. I like the look of them there. So if you're watching Edifier, you know what to do. So obviously we're connected up, and in here you've got your noise reduction, and you can just switch it off here. And you have a control here, like so. Noise reduction on. So you can hear that. Ambient sound. Noise reduction on. Next over, you've game mode and game mode on and off. Game mode off. Game mode on. And you can play and pause your music from there as well. And that's pretty much it there on the app itself. So let's get some music going and show you the features. And we'll get the actual music player open again, because I was toggling between my iPhone, and you can bring up a widget on the same and a widget here. You can also have a widget on your watch as well, which is quite handy. So I'm going to go to recently played for test music, so I don't get any music strikes. New, we'll check out there. Recently played, so we'll start from there. So down here you can see that it's playing, and you can change the volume as well by holding the button down here. So one press on the volume up, one press on the volume down. Play and pause is a simple tap in the middle. Skip track is press and hold. As you can see in the bottom there, and reverse track is press and hold on the bottom, on the minus. Double tap brings up your assistant. So I'm just going to open the app again here. So play and pause once on the power on and off. Volume up and down is one press up, one press down. So plus and minus. Skip track is press and hold. So you'll see that on the bottom there, moving up. So that's all there is to it to use them. It's nice and handy. And of course, again, just a double press on the power button for your assistant of choice, and that's it. So that's basically it for the Edifier W820NB, W820NB. Nice, clean and simple pair of headphones. Do a great job. Nice and nice, simple to use. You know, they are plastic all over, so that might bother some people, but they're light, so you can wear them for a long time. But overall, you'll be happy with the listening experience, and they're really comfortable to wear as well. And that's it for now. You can see you've got nice deep cups there as well. So that's it for the Edifier W820NB. Thanks to Edifier again for sending these over. And stay tuned for more reviews. And also, if you're looking for a pair of earphones from Edifier, check out the Neobuds here. These are simply fantastic. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.